Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your workbook or worksheet look like a software or a web page or an app, whatever you want to call it. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So yeah, something like this basically. You will be able to turn your worksheet into this kind of mode. Well, you can have your personal reasons why you want to do this. For me, I like to do this to make it look cool, and it saves some space on my monitor because I have a dashboard which is connected to the live data, and it shows me some real-time information. I don't really modify anything into that sheet. I rarely do modification on that kind of sheet. Yeah, so if you got something like that which you really modify and you have to like it open all the time, I think this will save you some space on the screen, and it does look cool, to be honest. And some people ask me when I have something like this open on my workstation, and people ask, "Well, what was that?" Yeah, yeah, it looks cool. Uh, it does require some VBA coding, yeah, but don't worry about it. I'll give you step-by-step instructions how you can do it, how you can achieve exactly the same thing, right? By the way, this is not actual dashboard. It's just a picture I pasted into the worksheet to show you. Yeah. All right. To do this, you need your workbook. So let me open a new workbook. Yeah. So let's say this is your dashboard here. Yeah. My dash. Yeah. Let's say this is your dashboard. Yeah. And then you click on developer tab. If you don't have this enabled, you need to search on Google and you will find lots of information how you can make this tab available to you. Okay, and click on macros. We need to create a macro to hide everything extra stuff like formula bar, horizontal scroll bar, and all that. So let's call it hide and click create, and then into this between these two things, just paste this code. So all this code, what it's doing is basically hiding the grid lines, hiding the tabs at the bottom, hiding the scroll bars. Yeah, basically that's what it is doing. So save it. Make sure you save it as Excel micro enabled workbook type, otherwise you won't be able to use it. Okay, so yeah, close it, open macros again, and we need one to bring everything back. So let's call it show. So click create again, and into the show, paste the same code, but whatever you see here fails is true here, and whatever is true here is fails is it's just reversing the effect of hide basically. One more thing we have to do, you have to double click on this workbook and open this drop down menu, select workbook, then on your right hand side click on deactivate and write this piece of code here. So what it does basically is bring back the formula bar. Excel has a stupid glitch because sometimes it doesn't like to bring back the formula bar when you open another workbook for some reason. So this is just to overcome that situation. So save it, close it, and let's give shortcuts to your hide and show macros. So for hide, you can select the hide, press options, and give it a shortcut. Let's say Control Shift S to Control Shift H to hide, and Control Shift H to save. Okay, and now if you press Control Shift H, it should send your worksheet to the full screen mode. This doesn't seem to do that. Why? Oh, I don't know. I think I didn't set it properly. Oh, for some reason, it doesn't want to accept the shortcut key for me. Okay, that's fine there. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, looks like that has gone through now. So Control Shift H. Yeah. Now everything is in full screen. You need to bring back the window down by grabbing it from this bar. Yeah, don't press this one. I'll show you why. So bring it down. You can resize it to your dashboard size. And here, voila, you got your app-like worksheet. Okay. And to bring everything back, you have to press your shortcut again. So for me, it's Control Shift S. Yeah, so everything is back to normal. There are few limitations of this method. For example, you send something to full screen like so, and you press this button, which is restore. Yeah, if you press it, it brings back some of the windows, but not everything. You can see the top bit is here, formula bar is here. There's no heading, etc., and there's no scroll bars and no bottom tab bars. So basically, to bring back everything, you need to press your shortcut key, whatever you're gonna set it to. Yeah, Control Shift S in my case. Okay. There is another limitation of this method. Yeah, just wanted to make you aware of it. Let's say you send something into full screen mode, and you save it, save the file, and you close it. And when you open another workbook, you see some of the stuff is hidden. This is just another glitch. To bring everything back, you press the restore window here, like so. You can see the formula bar is still hidden. To bring the formula bar back, you go to view, click on formula bar, and that's it. It's just a bit of Excel glitch here and there, but yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like to have more content like this, please comment, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Thank you, and see you in next video.